Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Today's video is on how to make the easiest 5-minute sandwich maker cakes. It's similar to cake batter, but only takes 5 minutes to bake but tastes just as good. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and watch all my other videos after this one. On to the recipe. In a mixing bowl, measure out half a cup or 60 grams of sugar and 2 eggs and whisk together. You can use a hand whisk, but the electric whisk makes everything quicker. Then add to that half a cup or 60 milliliters of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of milk, and whisk that again. And the third step is to measure out 1 cup or 125 grams of plain flour and mix that with a teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve it together to avoid flour lumps. Start to fold in the batter with a spatula so the flour doesn't go everywhere. Then whisk. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl. At the end, it should be a creamy consistency. This is what a sandwich maker looks like. And to it, spray oil onto it. And use a brush to spread it out. Make sure you don't turn the machine on. Keep it cold. Spoon the mixture into the holes, making sure it's not too much. 1 tablespoon is enough. Spread it out with a toothpick. This helps ensure the even cooking. Now you can turn it on, shut it, and leave it to cook for 4 to 6 minutes. To know they're ready, there should be a nice golden brown on the top. When they are ready, take them out and plate them. When you want to repeat the cooking process, clean the crumbs off and repeat the steps. Whilst waiting for the cakes to cook, you can prepare some surprise fillings. I'm making my 3-ingredient buttercream, which you can watch after this video. Click the I button at the top or the link in the description. Inside the cakes is a hollow, fluffy centre, perfect for filling and great on its own. If you don't have a piping bag, you can get a plastic bag and put your filling in the corner. I'm using Nutella. And twist it tight. Set it aside. Poke a straw in the back of your cake in the places you want it to fill. Now you can fill your cake. Make sure the bag is in there tight. When you put it on the plate, you can't even see it. It'll be a surprise for anyone. I dyed my buttercream blue, and now I'm going to pipe it in the cake as well. When you take a bite, you get a really nice contrast of colours. The creaminess from the icing and the fluffiness from the cake go so well together and taste like real cake. The gooiness of the Nutella makes a great breakfast snack. Thanks for watching. Hope you try this recipe and enjoy it. Let's try and get to 200 subscribers. You can help me by liking, subscribing, clicking the notification bell down below, and sharing my videos with everyone you know. Bye!